The greasiest thing on the machine is the gearbox, which is full of grease. So here's how to grease your gearbox with grease. We recommend greasing the gearbox once a year to prepare the machine for the season, but it can be done more often if the machine is being used heavily. The grease will keep the machine quiet and extend the life of the motor and gears. It is important to use high-temperature, food-grade grease on the machine, so that as the gears heat up, it does not melt and escape the gearbox. With the head cover removed, use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the 2 screws on the gearbox cover. Raise the main shaft to freely lift the cover off the gearbox. I like to clamp the cover up so it's out of my way. Tape also works fine. With the gearbox open, you can see the grease and gears. I like to use a spoon and Q-tips to clean it out. Because this is a new machine, we will not change the grease. But you basically remove all you can, then refill it back to about 3/4 of the way full. We sell a 3-ounce tube of grease that will be good for 1 servicing of the machine. We recommend always having a tube of grease on hand.